Hey, it's Justine, and I have been having so much fun this year reviewing all kinds of different types of computers. Desktops, all-in-ones, and a ton of laptops. So I am very excited to partner with HP and Intel to showcase this Spectre x360 for you guys today. So first, we need to unbox it. We've got a box inside of a box. Did you see that move? Did you see it? I saw it. I felt it. Hold up. Wait a minute. Look at this. I have thrown something that I might need. A little cover. Okay. Look at that. That smells like a real premium piece of material, if you ask me. Guys, look at this. This is like a gold brass color. Oh. We have opened up a treasure chest. It's got a little blanket. Keeping warm for cozy sweater season. Okay, all right. I'm kind of freaking out because look at this. These beautiful edges. It's like a rose gold. Oh my, if I made a computer and I picked out like this is what it would look like. Feast your little peepers on that. Wow, holy moly. What else is in here? Plug into wall. Okay, I think I can handle that. Yes, this is the braided cable that I love so much. I first saw this in the HP Enterprise video that I did reviewing a bunch of laptops, and this was my favorite cable. It's just, look at this, it's so cool. So you got the power brick and the charging cable. What's in here? That sounds like some candy or something. No, it's the HP pen. Look at this. Oh boy, oops. Careful if you do decide to get this because those little extra tips are inside of the box. I love this box so much that I'm saving it. It's going in the collection. So one of the exciting things is the Spectre x360 features the Intel Evo platform. So this has a new 11th gen Intel Core i7 processor, and you're also gonna be getting amazing performance for multitasking, video, photo editing, basically whatever it is that you need to do, like, you know, watching content and also playing video games. The new Intel Evo platform will give you the peace of mind knowing you're getting a laptop with exceptional responsiveness, real-world long battery life, instant wake, fast connectivity with Thunderbolt 4 and Wi-Fi 6. When you're looking for a new laptop, you'll know that you're getting all of these premium features when this Intel Evo badge is present. See? There it is. Oh, look at this. What is that? What is this? What are you telling me? Little pen there. So this has a 13.5-inch OLED touch panel, and this also folds just like this so you can use it as a tablet. And I love these types of laptops because you're able to do so many different things with it. God, look at this. I keep getting sidetracked by looking at how cool these colors and designs and angles are. I mean, you add rose gold accents to anything. It's like when you go fishing for like a specific type of fish and you put the kind of fish bait that they like this is what they're doing to me.
That's Justine bait?
Yes! Put this on a fishing pole, you're gonna catch yourself. We should probably turn this on now because I can't get any more hyped up than I already am. So depending upon where you purchase this laptop, there are many different configurations, but this one is currently spec'd out with 16 gigs of RAM. It also has a 1 terabyte solid state drive, and this is gonna give you really fast read and write speeds. It's got the Bang & Olufsen speakers. I love this speaker design. It just looks so good. So this also has Intel Iris Xe graphics, and this is gonna allow you to launch apps faster and give you a new level of graphics and performance in such a small, thin, and light laptop. Setting up our fingerprint sensor. I love that this has like a pretty large fingerprint scanner area right here. I'm also loving this top-down shot. I mean, I can take my laptop and fold it backwards and you can see both my keyboard and the display. It's revolutionary. So I've now got everything all set up. I'm so excited to test this out. One of the things that of course we have to do first is I've got to go watch my own YouTube videos. I just got to see how it looks on here. It's very important business. So the screen looks really good. It's super bright, especially even in this situation, like we have a lot of lights in here and you're still able to see it very clearly. I love that we can just fold this up. Like, look at this. Tablet mode, it's here. It's got auto rotate on. I really like this tablet mode. It's very light. So we have a USB-C port over here. There's also a 3.5mm headphone jack. Secret USB-C right here on the corner. That's probably the perfect spot for it to charge. And then we also have another USB-A port here for all of the things that we need to plug in. So the speakers sound pretty good on my video, but what we really need to test out is let's play a nice royalty-free track for you all. Ready? Take it away, royalty-free track from the internet. I feel like I probably should have picked like a more epic of a song.
We keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive.
Let's see what it sounds like from over here. Sounds pretty good. Beat's about to drop. Oh, this is great. God, I love this laptop so much, I'm freaking out. Let's test the webcam. I need to make a call using a web conferencing service, of which I will not name. So we're having a very important meeting.
This is my HP all-in-one.
It's my favorite.
This is what I use for streaming. When I'm streaming, it's a nice setup for when I'm streaming.
Very, very important business meeting. I'm just really happy with this so far. It's working! My pen! Check this out. So this is the HP Stylus pen, and because this can be used in tablet mode, like you can basically be using this to take notes. I'll take your order, please. This writes so nice. Cheeseburger. Check. For my cheeseburger, I'm going to need some lettuce, some herbs. I have an herb garden now, in case you guys didn't know. I'm gonna need extra cheese. And just in case I forget, I'm gonna, oh, that was supposed to be yellow. That was supposed to be cheese, but the cheese has gotten moldy because I have left it out of the refrigerator. Oops, moldy cheese. I mean, isn't cheese just mold anyway? So technically. Okay, this writes very nice. Wow, so cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so glad I was able to show this to you because this honestly is such a beautiful laptop. Not only are the specs amazing, the screen looks incredible, the sound is awesome, but this design is honestly something that I'm so into. So if you do want a very nice, well-designed PC laptop, I think this is definitely one that you should check out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.